Hi there, welcome to another video by Real FX. So the Real FX team has decided to create a beginners course where they teach beginners everything about forex trading, and this video is the first part of the beginners course. So this video is going to be covering what is forex trading, and if that sounds like something that you're interested in, stick around till the end of the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you right after this intro. Now before we continue guys, I'd like to encourage you to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, to share with some friends, as this helps us grow, it helps us reach many people, and it keeps us motivated to continue making more videos. Okay guys, now let's talk about forex trading. What is forex trading? If you ever travel to a foreign country, you might have needed to exchange your money, and if yes, you already participated in forex trading. Forex is the short form of foreign exchange, and forex involves the conversion of one currency to the other. For example, big companies buy goods from other countries as exports, and in order for them to buy these goods, they need to obtain the local currency first. Just like us when we are going on a holiday, we have to stop at the airport to convert our money to the local currency, and then this is how we're gonna be able to use the money in the other country. Exchange of huge amounts of money will result in the move of the price. Now, unlike us, these big companies exchange huge amounts of money, and when these companies exchange these huge amounts of money, they will actually cause the price to move, and because the demand for the currency they need increases, the price increases. Now when these currencies get exchanged, they have a certain price, and that price is called the exchange rate. Now with all this exchanging going on around the world, the exchange rates constantly move. The price of a currency is determined by the law of supply and demand. If there are a lot of people or companies that want to change euros into dollars, the price of the dollar will rise against the price of the euro, and so the exchange rate will change. Okay, now let's talk about how you can make money from forex trading, and for me to explain this properly, I'm going to be using a simple example. So let's say you live in Europe and you take a trip, you go to the United States of America. Now when you leave Europe while having 1000 euros. So let's say you had 1000 euros when you left Europe, and then you want to convert this money into American dollars. So let's say you want to convert it into American dollars, and the conversion rate is that 1 euro will be equals to 1.5 US dollars. So this simply means that your 1000 euros will be equals to $1,500. Now let's say you travel from Europe all the way to America with your 1,500 US dollars, and then when you get to America you do not spend your 1,500 US dollars, and then you come back to Europe with your 1,500 US dollars. But because the exchange rates are always moving, this simply means that when you return to Europe, the exchange rates will be different. So now let's say the exchange rate is now at 1 euro is equals to 1.3 US dollars. So this simply means that your 1,500 US dollars will now be equals to 1,153 euros. So instead of getting 1,000 euros, you are now gonna be having 1,153 euros. So this simply means from this trip you have made a profit of, your profit will be equals to your profit will be equals to 153 euros. So that's how you make money in forex trading. Okay, now traveling a lot and saving a bit of money on your holiday budget and then exchanging it is not really a practical approach to trading currencies. Fortunately, there's an easier way to do this. You can trade currencies through an online exchange offices called brokers. What this means is that you can exchange currencies online throughout the day and take advantage of the constantly fluctuating exchange rate. Okay, now let's look at the benefits of a broker. Trading Forex online with a broker has many benefits. The first benefit is that you can trade from anywhere. So you can trade Forex from anywhere as long as you have access to internet connection. And the second one is that the market is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. And this allows you to take advantage of this opportunity, and then this also can suit your daily routine. And the third one is that you need little capital to start. So this simply means that the budget for you to get started can be as little as $10, and $10 is enough to begin trading and building your account over time. Of course, it will still require you to learn how to trade, and this is exactly what Real FX is here for. Real FX is here to help you learn how to trade in a way that can suit your individual lifestyle and to help you navigate your way through the Forex market. So don't wait. Start your Forex trading journey today and see where it takes you.